feds are going to buy 11 million pounds of cheese because apparently there's too much cheese out there. Sounds crazy, right? Whoever thought there'd be too much cheese? But I guess it's better than the alternative. A lack of cheese would be terrible. Here's what's happening. There's a very big cheese surplus, and the US Department of Agriculture is going to buy a haul worth about $20 million. The feds are going to give it to what they call private inventories, which is just a super formal way of saying organizations that need it. So places like charities and food banks, which is awesome. What's not so awesome is that this cheese surplus is at a 30-year high. A press release says farmers are having trouble selling cheese because of what's described as market conditions, including higher European exports, a lower demand, and a shift in consumption patterns. But back to the good news. The USDA was getting requests about buying the cheese from Congress, the National Farmers Union, the American Farm Bureau, and the National Milk Producers Federation. And it's great that the cheese is going where it's really needed. I'm Gillian for Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.